It is 9:30 or 40 in the morning. I am done with per one paper finally. एक एग्ज़ाम हो चुका है. That was of professional ethics. Thankfully it is done and dusted. It was only of 2 hours, but it was very exhausting. It was very lengthy paper and it was of no use. Like वो किसी भी तरीके से हमारे किसी भी काम नहीं आने वाला है पेपर, but still we had to give an offline exam for that stupid ass subject. Next, tomorrow again I have an exam which is of personality theory, and right now I am just doing that. So this I have already made notes of that subject. मैंने वो पूरा syllabus लिखा हुआ था. Oops, sorry. Like this is the syllabus and everything. I had completed the notes. I was just studying some extra pointers, and this is the topic that I was studying: predictive functions. Again, I am just done with this, but it is so fun studying this. Genuinely, it is very fun. Anyway, I will continue studying. I don't know if I'll make a time lapse. Maybe I will, maybe I will not. You will only know in basically I can't move my phone or my hard drive from anywhere because I'm right now copying all my data from my phone to the hard drive and also simultaneously studying. The thing is कि I have tried doing this before also, but because my scratch disk was filled, apparently this is a thing in Windows that I hate a lot. If your scratch disk is full, you can't like copy and paste. तो वो दिक्कत आ रही थी कल मैं डे ट्राई करती थी. So today I did that because my phone's memory is at 97%, storage is filled. तो अब मैं सारी videos I have transferred to my hard drive. I'm gonna sort out the screenshots and images also. So, and I'm recording this from Snapchat. I'll have to see how the audio is, and that is why there's a filter. So I'm gonna get back to studying. I've been studying for past hour now. So yeah, take care, bye. Anyway, I came back home at 3 and I slept at 3:30 and I woke up at 5:30. 2 घंटे का nap, बहुत अच्छी नींद, very very nice. Sarpreet woke me up from her call, or I think I would have been still sleeping. So anyway, I've been studying since 5:45. It's been 1 hour and I have completed 1.5 module. Not 1.5, like 1 1/4 of the other module. I am starting from backwards. मैंने 5th module किया, अभी मैं 4th module पे हूँ, I guess. Wait, let me check. My bad. मैंने 6th module किया और मैं 5th module पे हूँ अभी. It was my fault. Anyway guys, 6th module was very easy. It did not comprise a lot of things, तो 1 घंटा उसमें लग गया. 5th module has a lot of therapeutic interventions, like a lot of therapeutic interventions. So it will take some time. Anyway, my hand is hurting, so I'm gonna keep. Yeah. हाँ. So I'll talk to you guys later because I have to study. And yes, bye bye. I have had off this whole week. Today is what, 14th November 2024, and I have had off since which date? 11th. It's been 3 days since I've been at home preparing for one exam or two exams. However much I need to. We got a whole week off for this one exam, and I have a document of 109 pages, which I have to learn by the end of this week. And it is, I think, Wednesday today or Thursday. It's Thursday today. I thought it was Wednesday. It's my fault. Yes. And it is currently 10:35. Almost everybody has gone to bed at my home. I am here trying to study, but I just can't. I can't concentrate. I feel so overwhelmed and so burdened and so burnt out. I also have to make some therapeutic interventions for my patients, which is again not happening because I am too overwhelmed to do that. इतनी भी कोशिश कर लो, इतना भी ट्राई कर लो, इनफैक्ट मैंने स्टडी व्लॉग्स भी चला के देखे साइड में. मैंने स्टडी विद मी वाली वीडियोस ट्राई करी. आई हैव ट्राइड पोमोडोरो मेथड, आई हैव ट्राइड सेकंड ब्रेन, आई हैव ट्राइड फेमन टेक्निक, आई हैव tried all this. I have tried writing it down as well. None of this shit is working anymore for me. It's just like I'm reading and then I'm forgetting what I have read before. This is too much at this point. And also I hate this subject क्योंकि देखो, first of all ये subject मैंने लिया इसलिए था क्योंकि it's interesting, it's forensic psychology. Why on earth would it not be interesting? But we got such a shitty professor. Like almost all of our professors this semester was so bad. This woman did not teach us anything at all. Out of 28 or 32 classes, she took only 5 to 8 classes. I don't know what is happening, but I just can't study anymore. ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे किसी ने नज़र लगा दी है. The exposure is better, much better. I don't know if you can still see or not, but I feel like my hair is hairing. It's a little wavy, it's a little curly. I like it personally. So yeah, this lighting is good. Anyway, ये पानी पीने के बाद इतनी देर से आ रही है और एक बार भी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि ये थोड़ी देर में बंद हो जाएगा. Because it's been 40 minutes constantly since this voice has been here. And I don't even know if you can hear me study क्या होता है. It is 10:30 right now, and I am recording right now because also I look so tired. I don't have to mention it. I mean, how sleep deprived and tired and exhausted and burnt out I am. But I'm still gonna just put it out there because I can't do this anymore. This is literally a lot at this point. And yeah, I haven't studied. I tried studying सबसे पहले. Like after I came home, took a fat nap for 2 hours. मस्त नींद आई, बहुत मज़ा आया. And then I woke up. I was just watching TV and drinking some coffee. And yeah, around 7:30, 8 o'clock, I started studying again. Not again, like I just sat to study, and then I got a call from my friend कि we have to select our electives for next semester now, and we have to upload those electives on a Google Sheet by tomorrow morning. So we were very confused कि which electives do we choose, because very honestly and quite frankly, these electives, whatever we choose, they are not taught to us in the way we think they would be. Like this semester also the same shit happened. Last semester also it was the same. So officially we know कि कुछ नहीं पढ़ाने वाले लोग ढंग से. Anyway, so first we rang up one of our professors. She did not pick up, and then we were like ठीक है आपस में discuss कर लेते हैं. So we called two friends, and then mutually we agreed, like me and the friend Nikki basically. I don't know. No one knows actually who is who. So Nikki had called me, and finally, with the help of Hansa, her and Sarvpreet, all of us were able to decide our electives. So me, Nikki and Sarvpreet have decided on the same electives because, frankly speaking, the other ones were becoming too much for some reason. I don't know what reason was, but yeah, they were becoming too much. And Hansa has one different elective. She has we had to select 4 electives, and I think 2 अलग है, 2 सेम है. देखना पड़ेगा मुझे भी याद नहीं है. कैसा लगा वो आज घूम के? और पापा आपको कैसा लगा घूम के आज? आज तो आपकी शॉपिंग भी हुई थी. बोलो कट कट कट. माय फेवरेट बंदा था. हेयर लिए है ना, ऑर्डर करे थे ब्राउनी रॉक्स. quiet here is because it is 3:35, 36 in the afternoon and I'm going through a park. Also, I'm done with 4, 5, 6 exams, 3 more to go. And I'm having the worst migraine of my life. भाई इतना गंदा वाला सर दर्द हो रहा है ना. And the pollution is not at all helping. I'm able to vlog in public today because कोई नहीं है आसपास. एकदम शांति है, no one is there to disturb. The exam was actually pretty easy. So yes, all that extreme studying went to waste. That's all. Baki, other than that, this is the POV, and it was supposed to be cold today. The weather was supposed to be cold today, but it's not. If you're walking, अगर बैठे हो एक जगह पे तो फिर ठंड है, अगर चल रहे हो तो फिर बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है. And also I make coffee for myself, जो कि मैं एग्ज़ाम में लेके जाती हूँ. And I give my exams relaxed with coffee in my hand, writing answers with another hand. So yeah, it is pretty fun. Not really. I don't know कितनी आवाज़ आ रही है कितनी नहीं आ रही. I'll have to check. Anyway, we'll see you. क्यों बोल रही हूँ मैं ऐसे? Whatever, भाई, fuck it. So I am just going back home. I'm done with my exams and I'm on my way. My paper was good. Whatever I had studied was not on the exam as usual, but still gave it anyway. And I almost missed one question because of my stupidity, because I didn't see कि पीछे भी printed है और पीछे भी answers, sorry, questions है. But anyway, I'm glad I saw that. वरना मेरे marks जाते. And yes, that was pretty much it. Just one more exam to go and I'm done with exams, which is absolutely amazing and relaxing. अच्छा लगेगा. 27th, and that's it.